Mga fans ni Dwight Ramos nag-react sa pagkakabangko ni Tim Cone kay Dwight at sapatos ni Kiefer Ravena. May halong malas nga ba? Ayan na, Gilas Pilipinas pasok na sa FIBA Asia Cup 2025 matapos talunin ng Hong Kong 93-54 final score. Dahil nga sa pagkakapanalo against New Zealand, sa last game nito ay mataas ang kumpiyansa ng Gilas na harapin nila ang Hong Kong. Kaya ang resulta ay tambak malala ang kinahinatnan ng naturang laban. Sa game na ito ay dito gumawa ang batang si Carl Tamayo ng 16 points, 5 rebounds at 7 out of 14 sa field goal. Habang ang 8-time PBA MVP naman ay kumana ng 14 points, 8 rebounds at plus 21 sa efficiency sa kanyang laro. Kasama din sa nagambag ang naturalized player na si Jason Brownlee na gumawa ng 13 points, 3 rebounds, 3 assists at 3 steals.
Well, I think the one sitting next to me, Carl, I told him, remember I told you coming out in the first half, he got out, he hit a 3-point shot, he went to the basket, he had a post up, he had an offensive rebound, that all scores, and that's what we're looking for our young guys. We want to use their total game, and that's the case with him. That's the case with KQ, and even Mason. Mason is a specialist in terms of taking 3-point shots, but we're trying to get him to expand his game as well. And I won't stop saying this. They are, the superstars of this team.
Pero bagamat maganda at tampakan ang laro ay hindi mapigilan ng mga Dwight Ramos fanatics na hindi masilayan ang kanilang idol maglaro sa gabing yun. Kaya isang malaking sigaw ang yumanig sa Mall of Asia Arena na nagsasabi na, "We want Dwight." Dahil kahit isang minuto ay hindi pa pinapasok ni Coach Tim Cone ito. Kahit sobrang lakas na ng clamor ng mga tao ay tinedma lang ito ni Coach Tim. Dumating pa nga sa punto na kahit si team manager Al Francis Chu ay sinubukan ng kausapin si Tim Cone na ipasok si Dwight kahit 30 seconds lamang. Pero hindi ito umubra sa naturang coach.
Well, he was injured. Now, I remember there was a fan in the front row along the basket, and I told him he was injured. I can't play him, and he still kept saying, "Will you want Dwight? Will you want Dwight?" Yeah, I mean, I love Dwight. I mean, I'm like all the girls. I love Dwight. I just love him for different reasons, right? I mean, I love him for his basketball mind and his talent. He's got an incredible basketball mind. Girls like him for his looks. I can't like him for his looks, but I like him. I mean, I love him for his brain and basketball brain, and so I more than anybody want to put him on the floor. I guarantee you that. I wasn't holding him out for any other reason from the fact that he had pulled his calf muscle in the late stages of the New Zealand game. He practiced yesterday. Tried to practice yesterday. He tried to do our shoot around today. We weren't sure until he came to the game. We said he's going to try to warm up and see how it was, but he was still feeling pain. And obviously, to be honest, I would have pushed him harder to play if we were playing New Zealand. But we felt that we could, rest him and be careful with him in this game. I thought, and that's best for him because he's got to go back and play in Japan and keep his career going. We didn't want to blow that cap out, but that was the reason. I mean, I would have loved to have played him, but I was under orders from the training staff that he should not play. So I got to do what's best for him. Even though I know the crowd would have loved it. Even Al Francis Chua suggested, why don't we just put him in for 30 seconds and he can just stand in the corner of the court? And I go, I don't know if that'll work. So I didn't do that.
Marami naman nagsasabi na kaya na-injured itong si Dwight Ramos ay dahil sa sapatos na suot nito na Nike Jordan 39. Kiefer Ravena player exclusive, ang kauna-unahang Pilipino na player na pumirma sa Jordan brand at unang Pilipino na nagkaroon ng exclusive na sapatos sa Jordan. Ayon sa mga pansay, dapat daw ay hindi na nito sinuot ni Ramos ang shoes na yan dahil malas talaga yan si Boy Tribble kaya inabot na ng injury. Pero ayon na nga mismo kay Team Con ay nakuha ni Dwight ang injury noong New Zealand game pa kaya walang kinalaman ang pagsuot ng sapatos dito. Sa tingin nyo guys, tama bang sabihin ng mga fans na malas nga ang sapatos na ito? I-comment lang sa baba kung ano ang masabi nyo tungkol dito. Thanks for watching. Peace!